Tip number 1 will change how you build local authority this year. Stop treating Google and Yelp as your only citation strategy. ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google AI. Overviews, Claude, and Gemini already pull business proof from AI-specific directories, data aggregators, and machine-readable sources your classic SEO checklist never touches. If those sources are empty, machines recommend the competitor who filled them first. I'm going to show why Google plus Yelp is no longer enough, which AI-specific directories and data layers actually feed answer engines, how to prioritize builds without wasting months on junk listings, the exact consistency rules that keep citations from hurting you, and and how to turn citation work into measurable AI shortlist wins. First, why Google and Yelp alone leave you invisible to AI search. Classic local SEO taught a simple loop. Claim Google business profile, build Yelp, scatter name, address, phone across a dozen general directories. That loop still matters for maps and blue links. It is incomplete for answer engines. ChatGPT search, Perplexity local answers, Google AI overviews, Claude research chats, and Gemini shortlists do not only scrape the same two logos, they stitch identity from entity graphs, structured business databases, industry vertical directories, review corpora, and high-trust publisher pages that confirm who you are and what you do. When a buyer asks ChatGPT for the best emergency plumber near me, or Perplexity for a family dentist that takes new patients, the model looks for corroborating evidence across many surfaces. A perfect Google listing with a dead presence everywhere else looks thin. A business with dense, consistent citations across AI-friendly sources looks safer to name. That is the new citation game, not vanity badges, machine confidence. Google and Yelp are still table stakes. They are not the full board. Brands that only optimize those two keep winning map pack scraps, while competitors quietly become the default recommendation inside AI chats. Second, which AI-specific directories and data layers actually matter? Start with the identity backbone, Apple Business. Connect, Bing Places, and Facebook now feed more than social vanity. They reinforce NAP and category signals that multiple retrieval systems reuse, then move into data aggregators and syndication hubs that still seed hundreds of downstream listings, sources in the data Axle, Foursquare, and Localez style ecosystem. Clean inputs there reduce contradictions AI systems hate. Next come vertical and intent directories. Home services, medical, legal, restaurant, and auto categories each have specialized sites where buyers and scrapers both look. AI models treat niche directories as stronger job-proof than random free listing farms. Industry associations, chamber pages, and insurance or manufacturer partner finders add another layer of legitimacy machines can quote. Then focus on AI-adjacent and answer-friendly surfaces, Crunchbase-style company profiles for multi-location brands, well-structured about and location pages with schema, high-quality local publisher profiles, review platforms beyond Yelp where real customers describe services in natural language. Perplexity and ChatGPT paraphrase those themes when they explain why a business belongs on a shortlist. Finally, treat your website as a citation hub, not a brochure. Consistent NAP in footer and location pages. Service pages that match Google categories. FAQ blocks that answer buyer questions the same way people prompt AI. Schema markup that restates entity facts machines can extract without guessing. Third, how to prioritize builds so you do not waste a quarter on junk. Rule number 1 is accuracy before volume. 10 perfect matching citations beat 100 contradictory free listings. AI engines punish mismatch more than they reward bulk. Fix Google business profile, website NAP, and primary aggregator records first, only then expand. Rule number 2 is coverage by buyer journey. Build where your money queries live. If customers ask AI for emergency HVAC, prioritize directories and association pages that speak emergency service language, not generic city guides from 2012. Rule number 3 is freshness and claim status. Unclaimed or stale listings create conflicting phone numbers and hours. Claim, correct, and suppress duplicates. A silent duplicate with old hours can poison extraction confidence across ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Google AI overviews even when your main profile looks clean. Rule number 4 is thematic proof. Citations that include services, categories, and short descriptions give models words to reuse. Empty shells with only a name are weak. Fill service fields. Add real photos where allowed. Keep descriptions honest and specific. Rule number 5 is measurement. Every month, Prompt ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google AI Overviews, Claude, and Gemini with your top 5 local money queries. Log whether you are named, ignored, or replaced. Citation work. Without AI shortlist tracking is busy work. Fourth, consistency rules that keep citations from hurting AI visibility. Name, address, and phone must match character for character across primary sources. Category drift kills relevance. If Google says plumber and a major directory says general contractor, models get confused about which jobs to assign you. Hours and service areas must agree with the website. Redirect dead citation URLs. Remove closed location ghosts after moves. Multi-location brands need unique pages and unique proofs per store, not one shared blob that collapses all branches into one messy entity. Also watch for over-optimization theatre. Spamming hundreds of low-quality directories can create a junk graph. Prefer fewer high-trust nodes that AI systems already cite. Quality directories plus strong reviews plus extractable website facts beat a spreadsheet of 200 mystery links. When citations agree, AI systems gain permission to recommend you. When citations fight each other, AI systems pick the competitor whose graph is boringly consistent. Fifth, turn citation work into AI shortlist wins this month. Build a 30-day sprint. Week 1. Audit Google, Yelp, Apple Business Connect, Bing Places, Facebook, website, NAP, and top aggregators. Fix every mismatch. Week 2. Claim and complete the 5 highest value vertical directories in your industry and city. Week 3. Strengthen website entity pages, schema, and service language so citations and site tell the same story. Week 4. Run the 5 platform AI prompt audit, capture screenshots and assign owners to close remaining gaps. Track 3 outcomes. 1. Reduction in NAP conflicts. 2. Increase incomplete claimed profiles on priority sources. 3. Change in AI shortlist presence on ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google AI Overviews, Claude, and Gemini. That third metric is the point. Citations are input. Being named by AI is the output. If you want the system without living in spreadsheets every afternoon, Ninja monitors AI visibility, tightens local entity signals, and shows where answer engines still skip your business while competitors collect the calls. Recap. Google and Yelp are not enough. AI search pulls from broader directories, aggregators, vertical proof, and machine-readable pages. Prioritize accuracy, buyer journey coverage, freshness, thematic detail, and monthly measurement across 5 AI platforms. Consistent citations raise machine confidence. Contradictions hand the shortlist to someone else. Get started at tryninja.ai and build the citation layer. ChatGPT and AI overviews already trust before your next competitor finishes theirs first.